Oh my gosh, this pizza is so good. Homemade wholemeal flour. I know you guys know I shouldn't be eating this because it's got a little bit of gluten in it, but I just really have been craving something that like this, and I don't know what got into me, but I just made this all from scratch. So I made the dough. It's a really great dough recipe. I'm going to put it in the description. I've used the same recipe for years. Then what I did was with the base, I mixed barbecue sauce, which is basically this barbecue sauce, which is fairly innocuous. But I cooked it with some garlic, some herbs and everything like that, and just allowed it to cook down for maybe, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes on a low heat until it became thick. Took it out and it thickened up. And then I made some vegan cheese, which you can see here. And it's kind of softer now, but I made it with garlic powder, pink salt, nutritional yeast, some parsley, some smoke powder, and I separately mixed a little bit, like maybe a tablespoon of tapioca starch, and stirred that in. But I also used miso paste, and I would say probably about 500 mils of coconut milk, which gives it that thick, creamy taste. And then maybe about, I don't know, maybe about 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil. So that's basically what made the cheese. And I put that in the refrigerator. The dough was rising while I was doing all of that. Cut up some mushrooms. These two are uncooked. This one's hubby's one because it's got the vegan chicken on it. This one is my one because I can't eat the vegan chicken. But you can see here I've kind of put blobs of vegan cheese on. Put some scallions. I don't know if you can get this where you are, but it's like fried shallots. It's like those tiny little red onions, the really small ones. I buy them pre-fried and they taste amazing. Really unctuous, lovely umami flavor. So yeah, these are the last two, which will be for this week, which are gonna be part cooked now, and then I can let them cool and then just refrigerate them. But gosh, it's so good. I just showed my hubby my one. He was like, have you taken a picture? Have you videoed? And I was like, I haven't, because I didn't start videoing from before, and I always hate kind of showing y'all the halfway through thing. But he was like, nah, it's so good. You've got to take a picture. Already had two slices, and I'm just going to go in for my third slice, and I'm going to sit down and actually enjoy it. But just look how good that looks. It's so good. And I use yeast as well. It's so soft and fluffy. I haven't had anything like this in probably 2 years. I'm probably going to pay for eating this, honestly, because I shouldn't be eating this flour, but hopefully it won't be so bad. But yeah, amazing, absolutely incredible. So I had to show you so you saw how delicious this pizza looks. Look at that. Oh, absolutely delicious. And it's so soft. And the cheese gives it a real burst of, like a really burst of like a cheesy flavor, because of the miso paste. So good. One more. Anyway, that's it from me. Hope you have a great day. Just had to share this delicious pizza recipe with you. Hopefully you'll make something at home yourself for this weekend. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, and remember, stay delicious.